Hello everyone, this is Amrita, you're watching TechSathi, and in this video we are going to review the mighty Samsung S22 Ultra. First, we will start with what comes with the box. Inside the matte black box, you get the phone, Type-C cable, a SIM ejector and some paperwork. If you have already made your minds to buy this phone, then this video is for you. We are very well aware that you know all the good features about it, so let's start with the bad ones. Firstly, it is not a comfortable thing to hold. You can look at the size, it is just too big. Either you keep it in your pocket or you keep it in this desk, it is just too big. Yes, it would be much comfortable to hold if this phone was a little bit smaller, but what can we say? Its name itself comes with an Ultra. Secondly, it is super expensive. There are other competitive alternatives of this phone that come under this price range, as it is priced Rs 1,60,000 approximately, which is insane. Lastly, you must know what to get if you are thinking of buying the Samsung S22 Ultra primarily for gaming. There's a big no from our side because the gaming experience is not as good as expected. I personally think even older model iPhones can give a much better gaming experience than this one, because it has a little bit of heating issue as well. For a very long time, even older model iPhones have been providing a better gaming experience than the latest Android ones, and the fact holds true for ultra expensive Android devices like these two. Okay, that's it for complaints. Now let's move on to the best features of this phone. I know I don't have to explain much as it is a flagship phone, but its processor is simply amazing. The 4nm Snapdragon chip is extremely powerful and can multitask like a pro. On the top of that, it is paired with Exynos 730 GPU, which is the latest push from Qualcomm, and honestly this combination is one of the biggest strengths of Samsung S22 Ultra. Now let's talk about the camera. Oh my god, I think Samsung has won this game. With a quad camera setup, this device is here to change mobile photography. The main camera of the S22 Ultra now has a 58% wider correction angle for better optical image stabilization. Plus, every time you click the shot, the camera actually takes two images simultaneously. One for detail with the 108MP sensor and another for brightness with the 12MP sensor, and merges them all together. This results in an overall brighter and more detailed photo, especially when taking zoom shots. Talking about the lenses, we have got an ultra-wide lens, one main sensor lens and one telephoto lens that can zoom up to 100 times. Isn't that insane? And the best part is that Samsung has not just made improvements in its hardware but software too. While taking videos in low light conditions, its Video Digital Image Stabilization or VDIS uses software to balance the videos by analyzing motion data from your camera shakes and adjusting accordingly. For better reference, do not forget to check out this video and image samples. Now let's talk about its social media optimization. Anyone who knows me personally also knows that I am a big fan of Snapchat, which again explains why I love this phone so much. For the Galaxy S22 lineup, Samsung has partnered with Snapchat and other social media to optimize it and take full advantage of its camera and software upgrades. This means you can take sharper photo and video snaps with better low light performance, and also use the different cameras on your S22 device for better portrait and ultra-wide shots. We are also attaching some Snapchat images and videos for your reference. Now let's talk about the S Pen. When I got my hands on this device for the first time, this S Pen gave me a good nostalgia for Samsung's Note series. But not only the device, its built-in S Pen makes it even clear that Samsung has merged its S and Note series all together. The S Pen provides a really smooth sketching and writing experience. If you are someone who likes to build different mind maps at random times, this one is seriously a boon. Although I did not have prior experience of using the S Pen, I have heard from a lot of people that this built-in pen is way smoother than the previous ones. Also not to miss, it is both water and dust resistant. Moving on, its display is also equally good. The Samsung S22 Ultra has the brightest display at 1750 nits. That is higher than any phone has ever had. Similarly, its 120Hz refresh rate is also amazing, but what makes it even powerful is its LTPO display. The display comes with LTPO 2.0 tech, which can dial down the refresh rate from 120Hz to just 1Hz when you are looking at something static to save battery life. Lastly, this phone also comes with a vision booster, which helps in maintaining the brightness and sharpness of images under massive sunlight. This phone also has two speakers, one at the top and another at the bottom. The speakers are paired with Dolby Atmos tuning, which ensures a great sound quality. Here's a reference, look at for yourself. Alright guys, I think those were some of the best features of this phone, and adding on to that, I would also like to let you guys know that this phone will be getting Android updates for up to 4 years. That means it will make it to Android 16. And that shows Samsung has shown a great commitment towards improving not only its hardware but software support too. And that's it for today guys. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to TechSathi.